Welcome back, guys. I'm Zach, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring New Year New Tech Deals 2026. Rolling into 2026, there's that familiar buzz in the air, not just from the confetti cleanup, but from all the chatter about the latest gadgets and tech deals popping up everywhere. Whether you're casually browsing or thinking about upgrading something you've been eyeing for a while, there's something oddly fun about kicking off a new year with fresh tech on your radar. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The 11th tech deal on our list is the Razer Hanbo Chroma liquid cooler, now priced at $29.99 from its original price of $109.99. That's a 72% discount. It's a 240mm all-in-one liquid cooler with that signature Razer RGB on the pump cap. And look, if you're running a newer Intel setup like LGA 1851 or 1700 or even AMD AM4, this thing's compatible. The copper block does the heavy lifting on cooling, and you're getting two 120mm ARGB fans that Razer claims run quiet, which is clutch for longer gaming sessions. The tubes are 400mm with that sleeved look, so cable management won't be a nightmare. At this price point, it's basically a no-brainer if you've been wanting to ditch that stock cooler without dropping serious cash. The 10th tech deal on our list is the Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro Gaming Mouse, now priced at $69.99 from its original price of $99.99. That's a 30% discount. This thing's pretty versatile because you get 3 connection options: Corsair's sub-1 millisecond slipstream wireless, Bluetooth, or just plug it in USB-C wired. The sensor is a custom PixArt PW3392 pushing 18,000 dpi, which is honestly overkill for most people, but nice to have that headroom if you need super precise tracking. What's cool is the Qi wireless charging support, so if you've got a compatible charging pad like Corsair's MM1000, you can just drop it on there between games. Battery lasts around 50 hours on wireless, which is solid. It's got 9 zones of RGB, 8 programmable buttons, and comes with swappable side grips for comfort. The 9th tech deal on our list is the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5 cooler, now priced at $89.99 from its original price of $103.49. That's a 13% discount. You're looking at a dual tower design with 7 copper heat pipes rated for 270 watts TDP, which means it'll handle basically any mainstream CPU you throw at it, even overclocked. It comes with 2 Silent Wings 135mm PWM fans that the brand claims are virtually inaudible, topping out at around 26 decibels in quiet mode. There's actually a speed switch on the cooler, so you can toggle between quiet and performance modes depending on what you need. Compatibility is solid across Intel LGA 1851, 1700, 1200, and AMD AM5 and AM4 sockets. The nickel-plated base even works with liquid metal thermal paste if you want to get extra serious about thermals. The 8th tech deal on our list is the MSI MPGA 1000 GSPC IE5 power supply, now priced at $109.99 from its original price of $189.99. That's a 42% discount. It's 80+ gold certified, hitting up to 90% efficiency, and it's ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 ready with dual native 12-volt 2x6 connectors that can each push 600 watts to your GPU. That's huge for next-gen graphics cards. You're also getting server-grade capacitors, which means this thing should last, and MSI backs it with a 10-year warranty. The 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan stays quiet with 0 fan mode at low loads, and the whole unit's only 150mm long, so it fits in most cases without being a pain for cable management. At this price with that warranty, it's basically future-proof for whatever build you're planning. The 7th tech deal on our list is the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X processor, now priced at $199.99 from its original price of $279. That's a 28% discount. This is AMD's newest Zen 5 architecture, 6 cores and 12 threads, clocked at 3.9 GHz base and boosting up to 5.4 GHz. It's a socket AM5 chip with a super efficient 65-watt TDP, which means less heat, and you can get away with cheaper cooling if you want. You're getting DDR5 5600 memory support, PCIe 5.0, and integrated Radeon graphics for troubleshooting or light tasks. The chip's unlocked for overclocking with precision boost overdrive if you're into tuning. Big thing here is it's future-proof since AM5 has years of upgrade potential ahead. The 6th tech deal on our list is the GIGABYTE GS27 QSA gaming monitor, now priced at $179.99 from its original price of $249.99. That's a 28% discount. This is one of the best-selling gaming monitors, and for good reason. 27 inches, QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution on a super speed IPS panel that hits 180 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond MERT response time. You're getting AMD FreeSync for turf-free gaming, 100% sRGB color coverage, and it's HDR ready. Connectivity is solid with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 DisplayPort 1.4. GIGABYTE includes gaming features like black equalizer to brighten dark scenes, customizable crosshairs, and aim stabilizer. Panel's got 178-degree viewing angles, and it's flicker-free with low blue light certification from TÜV Rheinland. Best mountable at 100 by 100 mm if you want it on an arm. The 5th tech deal on our list is the Lenovo V15 G4 Laptop, now priced at $549.99 from its original price of $899.99. That's a 38% discount. This is a professionally upgraded model with 40 gigs of DDR4 RAM, which is honestly way more than most people need but perfect for heavy multitasking or running VMs. You're getting Intel's Core i5-13428, an 8-core chip with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, paired with 512GB NVMe SSD and Intel UHD integrated graphics. It's a 15.6-inch FHD display with a TN panel, so viewing angles won't be amazing, but it gets the job done. You've got Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, a decent port selection including USB-C with DisplayPort support, HDMI, and even an Ethernet jack. Battery's 38 watt-hours, so don't expect all-day runtime. The 4th tech deal on our list is the Acer Aspire Go laptop, now priced at $699.99 from its original price of $849.99. That's a 17% discount. This is packing AMD's Ryzen 7 7730U, an 8-core chip from their 7000 series, with 32GB of DDR4 RAM and a full terabyte of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display has narrow bezels and Acer's blue light shield to reduce eye strain. You're getting Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, Thunderbolt 4 USB-C for fast data transfer and external displays, plus HDMI 2.1 and Gigabit Ethernet. It's got Copilot built into Windows 11 Home, a backlit keyboard, HD webcam with AI noise reduction, and up to 9.5 hours of battery life. The whole thing weighs under 4 pounds and comes in 100% recyclable packaging if you care about that. With these specs, it's great value for students or anyone needing a solid all-rounder laptop. The 3rd tech deal on our list is the AOACE Gaming PC Desktop, now priced at $959.99 from its original price of $1,699.99. That's a 28% discount. This thing packs an AMD Ryzen 7 5700X, 8 cores with 16 threads boosting up to 4.6 GHz, paired with NVIDIA's brand new RTX 5060 with 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM. You're getting 16GB of DDR4 3200 RAM, a full terabyte NVMe SSD on PCIe 4.0, and a 550-watt 80+ PSU. The cooling system uses 4 copper heat pipes with 6 ARGB fans, and the chassis has this aquarium-style design with tempered glass that looks pretty wild. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 are built in. Windows 11 comes pre-installed. With the latest RTX 5060, it's solid value for a ready-to-game system if you don't want to build yourself. The 2nd tech deal on our list is the ABS Cyclone Aqua gaming PC, now priced at $999.99 from its original price of $1,399.99. That's a 28% discount. You're getting Intel's Core i5-14400F, a 10-core chip with 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, paired with an ACES dual RTX 5060 sporting 8GB of GDDR7. The system's loaded with 32GB of DDR4 3200 dual-channel RAM and a full terabyte Kingston NVMe SSD on PCIe 4.0. It's built on an Asus Prime B660M motherboard with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, powered by a 650-watt 80+ Gold PSU, and cooled by an ARGB cooler. Comes in the ABS Cyclone Micro ATX case. Windows 11 Home is pre-installed. The best tech deal on our list is the Skytech Gaming Prism 4 desktop PC, now priced at $2,199.99 from its original price of $3,999.99. That's a 45% discount. This is an absolute powerhouse bill. You're getting AMD's Ryzen 7 9800X3D, the best gaming CPU on the market right now with its massive 3D V-cache, clocked at 4.7 GHz base and boosting to 5.2. It's paired with AMD's brand new Radeon RX 9070 XT with 16 GB of GDDR6, which is AMD's latest high-end GPU, 32 GB of DDR5 6000 RGB RAM, a full 2 TB of Gen 4 NVMe storage, all on an X670 motherboard. The cooling's handled by a 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB fans, and you've got an 850-watt 80+ Gold ATX 3.0 PSU. Wi-Fi built-in, Windows 11 Home pre-installed, comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse. With the absolute top-tier gaming hardware, this is built for 4K gaming and content creation. And there you have it, folks, the New Year New Tech Deals 2026. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Zach signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.